13-minute full-body yoga stretch script. Welcome. This is your 13-minute full-body yoga stretch. As always, please listen to your body. Skip or modify any pose that doesn't feel right for you today. Let's begin lying on your back. Gently draw both knees into the chest, giving yourself a soft hug. You can stay still or rock side to side, gently massaging the lower back. Take a breath here. Straighten your left leg along the mat. Hug the right knee in toward the chest. Option to extend the right heel up toward the ceiling. Soft bend in the knee. Feel free to gently massage the back of the leg, calf, hamstring, whatever feels good. Now release the right leg and hug the left knee in. Again, option to extend the leg upward. Breathe into the stretch, allowing the back of the leg to lengthen. Release both legs back down. Bend your knees, feet wide on the mat, and gently windshield wiper the knees side to side. A soft twist to awaken the spine and hips. Bring the knees back to center. Grab the outsides of your feet or shins, whatever is accessible. Option to come into happy baby, letting the knees fall wide and the feet flex toward the ceiling. Maybe rock gently if it feels good. Give yourself one more squeeze, knees to chest, and then gently rock your way up to a seated position. Find a comfortable seat. Begin with some gentle neck rolls, tilting ear to shoulder, rolling chin down and around. Stay mindful and soft. Let the chin lift slightly. Repeat the same movement, ear to shoulder, on the other side. Now begin to circle the torso, gentle spirals through the spine. Let it feel natural. There's no right or wrong here. Just move how your body wants to move. Come to stillness. Extend your right arm to the side and lower your hand toward the mat. Gently tilt your head to the left. Option to move the chin down, then up, releasing any neck tension. Switch sides. Left arm out. Head tilts to the right. Soften the jaw. Relax the face. Come back to center. Sweep the arms overhead as you inhale. Exhale, twist gently to the left. Let the spine lengthen as you inhale and soften the shoulders as you exhale. Inhale, arms rise again. Exhale, twist gently to the right. Breathe into the twist, finding space. Release the hands. Take a moment. Shake it out if needed. Now gently come to tabletop position, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Sink your hips back toward the heels for child's pose. Forehead to the mat. Option to widen the knees or use props like pillows under the torso for support. Take deep, calming breaths here. When you're ready, rise back to tabletop. Tuck the toes. Send the hips back to the heels. Maybe gently rock side to side. lift into tabletop again. On an inhale, drop the belly, lift the gaze, cow pose. Exhale, round the spine, tuck the chin, cat pose. Repeat a few rounds, moving with your breath. Return to a neutral spine. From here, lower down to your belly. Prop yourself on the forearms for a gentle sphinx pose. Press into the tops of the feet. Lift the chest. Lengthen the spine. You can stay here or gently gaze over one shoulder, then the other, inviting some movement into the neck and upper spine. Now shift your upper body toward the top left corner of your mat, coming into a gentle banana pose. Arms fold under the forehead. Breathe into the right side body. Expand as you inhale. Soften as you exhale. Slowly walk your upper body to the right, coming into a banana pose on the opposite side. Again, breathe deeply into the side body. Return to center. Place your hands beneath your shoulders. Tuck your toes. Lift the hips up and back, coming into downward facing dog. Keep a soft bend in the knees if needed. Pedal out the feet, bending one knee, then the other. Step your feet toward the top of the mat. Inhale, lift halfway flat back. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise all the way up. Arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. Take one more deep breath in. Arms rise. Exhale, release the arms down. Thank you for joining me today. Namaste.